Yo, what up? Welcome back to another video. This right here is where we got turned around in the last video, and then we went to plan B, C, D. So this is where, just up here is where we bumped into the guide and angler. So we've come back early, there's no one there. This bit here looks too good, so Alex is just tying up a cicada. My rod's completely de-rigged, I've got to set up a nymph. And then we're going to fish through this little slice of a beautiful looking bit of water, and then carry on up into the unknown. Well, we've both never fished there, so it should be good. Hopefully we can find, the idea is 4 6-pound fish each by lunchtime on dry flies. Easy. Sold.
Done.
I was just joking about that. Any fish will be a positive. Alright, so far walking up there's a little bubbly bit we've just walked up. We kind of nonchalantly just kind of strolled up there. So we're trying to get to this bit. We spooked 2 good browns. We've got you can see my shadow here, so the sun is like smack behind us.
We're a bit shit.
Yeah, and they are hard to see. The water's green, so is the bottom, and we're a bit shit. Yeah, it's definitely a fish. Yeah. I don't know if it's brown or rainbow.
I can tell, eh?
It's big enough.
Oh no, it's
Little right.
yeah, it's a bad cast.
That's better.
Drag.
Oh yes! Oh, I flossed him.
I just fucking dropped him, and now he's don't know where he's hooked now.
It was cool though.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, yeah.
On the cicada raider. Do you think he ate the nymph up or flossed?
No, I flossed him. I felt it go. No.
Don't go over there.
Oh no!
Dude, run. He's pretty good. He looks, dude, get out there. Yeah! Sick. He's way bigger than he looks.
Yep. I did not think that was going to happen. Especially today. Oh, sick fish.
Alright, so we just I spotted the fish up there while Alex was fishing the tail out, and we couldn't tell whether it was brown or rainbow, and it looked a lot smaller. But this is a dope fish. It was hard to get in the net. It made us scramble all the way down through all this crap.
How fat that is? I haven't got small hands.
Yeah, he's a fat fish.
Yeah, she's a fat fish.
Beautiful rainbow.
Good?
Yep.
Alright, look at that.
Tank.
Yeah, wicked fish. Let's get her back, yeah?
Whew.
Alright, see you, lady. Alright. Oh. That's alright. That's alright.
Alright, dope fish. Dope. We almost lost the net. Alright, cool. On the board after 7 or 8 lost and spooked. Oh, I wasn't rolling. I've been right across the river. Yeah, it's in a good. Go get down there with the net. He's right on the inside there. Get below it, bro. Yeah. Main current right off the back of that slot there. Yeah, it's right in there. Go. Wait. Down. Oh. Quick, he's in there.
I'm going.
Get below him. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Is that a big fish?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, I did not get the hook up. This thing ate the cicada. Holy crap. That thing took us for a ride. He came up vertically and ate the cicada.
Sweet in that fast water.
Oh my god. Oh, I love this river. Yep. This fish took me on the biggest ride I've been on in a long time. Ate the cicada, just the tank. This thing's big. I'm stoked with that. It's a great fish.
Yeah, bro.
Real shame I didn't get the hookup on the GoPro because the fish jumped and it was a big fish. Probably definitely one of the highlight fish of the year so far for me. It's just an awesome fish. So stoked. Right, let's go get some more. So we've only walked like another 10 meters. That's from where I hooked that fish. You probably can't see it on this camera. I can't fit a polarized lens to this. It just doesn't work. Smack there, right on my end of my finger is a big fish. Probably bigger than the one I caught. Probably bigger. That's what I reckon anyway at the moment. That's a big fish.
Big fish.
It's big. Alex is he's just retying because I put some serious weight on that line and it touched some rocks and the hook was actually bent out. So he's retying everything super fresh. And then we'll have a go at this, big old, looks like a rainbow. Alright, here we go. Is it brown?
Yep, but it's nowhere near 7.
It's way smaller. It's still a good fish though.
Yeah, man, that was a sick eat off the top too.
Yeah. Oh well, I called it a 7-pound rainbow. It's about a 4.5, 5-pound brown.
Oh no,
it's pretty good. I'll try and net it, eh? Look.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No, well, I didn't say there's anything wrong with it. I said it's not 7 pound.
He went straight in the net.
And just first drift on a cicada.
That's 3 cicada eats we've had this morning. It's pretty good.
Full brown trout. A happy as with that. On the edge, first drift on a cicada, nice and slow motion. Gotta love a brownie.
Sweet fish,
Something
bro.
about a brown. Happy with that. Good spot.
Alright.
Happy?
Yeah.
See you, bro. Brownie. Yep, well played.
Go, dude.
Yeah, man. Messed me up.
Yeah, that's some blood. Alright, I wasn't rolling again. I thought I was, so I apologise. But I just got this good rainbow, like a lake fish, just up in this big slow bit of water. He was wrapped up extremely well, but he has
Good jack.
oh,
Yeah, boy, look at that jaw.
great fish. So I didn't have the GoPro rolling again, but I caught 2 little dinks up through here, and then this guy came from the rod. The rod's drifting away. Came from the, just a really big slow drift up that inside edge. Big jack. First jack of the day actually, isn't it?
Yeah, sure is.
Look at that kipe on him.
Wicked, man.
Beautiful fish. You good?
Yeah, bro.
Alright. See you later, fish. Definitely recording?
100%.
Alright, see you, buddy. Oh, I wasn't.
Oh, it's a good fish too.
Another rainbow eats off the top. I literally just turned the camera off. Stink. Ooh.
Decent.
I just about dove straight in.
Yeah!
Good fish.
That was a great eat. Look at that condition factor is just ridiculous. Wicked fish. What a cool fish. Shoulders.
Dope.
Alright, one more look.
Sweet fish, bro. Well done.
Oh! Is that off the top?
Yep.
See that? That sound is big.
Yep. That's a good rainbow.
Are you filming?
Yep. I think I've flossed him though. I didn't set the hook very well. Could be on the knot. You got that net?
I'll put it in my hand.
Could be in with a shot right here close. Nope. Okay, he is over there.
Yep.
Woohoo! Sick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. There's about 6/7 cast just drifting the cicada in a dropper. This hen rainbow came out, smashed it. This river has impressed me greatly.
Always
so stoked. Such a cool fish. Alright, I'm gonna let her go.
Sweet.
Happy?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh. Yep.
Right over the back. You're not gonna want the dropper.
Nope.
Oh, sick. Wasn't even a very good cast. This guy's strong. Dude! No! No fish! Get in there and scare him out! I'm stuck on it. Yeah! He was coming off if you didn't get that.
Oh, what a beautiful fish!
This thing chewed the cicada. I thought it was only a couple of pounds when I seen it in the water, but what a beautiful fish. This is insane. This is by far the best day's fishing I've had in so long. Such a good fish.
That is
so
a
stoked.
really nice brown.
So thick, like girth, length. It's just insane, such good fish. See you later. Alright, so we found another fish. We moved 10 meters. That was spotting right there. That's a hard fish to see. I'm just going to pat myself on the back for that. Another brown.
So cool.
This is just insane.
I don't know what to say.
Where's he going?
Over there.
Oh. Probably don't want him to go down.
Back up.
That's ideal. Tell him to keep coming back up. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, dude. Dude, it's a tanker. Yeah! What a fish. This is just stupid now. This is just silly.
Gareth had a good spot on this fish, and one cast, and she just nobbled that fly. It's a really good fish. A really nice fish.
So sexy. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Dude, what a tank. See if she'll swim off there.
Fair enough.
Yo, so that was the video. I wasn't really 100% focused on filming this day. Mine was on the fishing. The fishing was so good that it's definitely the best day's fishing, certainly on dry flies and cicadas I've had for possibly ever. It was unreal, and I don't think I did it justice in the video how good it was. I wish I had taken a little more time to film a little more B-roll and make sure I had the cameras running at the right time. Anyway, that was an amazing day, super cool day with Alex. Alex started making videos like this as well, so I will leave his channel linked below, so if you like what I do, you'll certainly like what he does, so go check out his channel. But other than that, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, remember to subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment, love hearing from you, and I will look forward to bringing you all the next video. Peace.